How to remove contacts from Google Chat app. Let's get started. Launch your Google Chat app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now over here you're gonna find the list of conversations. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Click on this one icon, spaces. Now open this page from where you want to remove the contact. After you open it, at the very top you're gonna find the space name. Click on that. Then click on the option of manage members. Under members, you're going to find all the users that you have added in this space. Now how to remove any of it. For that, what you have to do is at the right corner of each member, you will find three dots. Click on it. You will get different options. Click on the option of remove from space. And just for that, the user will be removed. So this way you can easily remove contacts from Google Chat app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.